Hi everyone, welcome back to Property Cloud. I am Roshni and today we are going to talk about a premium township project located in one of the Bangalore's rapidly growing corridor at Tibeli. This is Sobha Town Park by Sobha Limited. In this video, we will cover the project overview, location advantages, amenities, pricing, booking offers and many more. So let's start with a quick overview of the project. Sobha Town Park is a large-scale New York-inspired luxury township located in South Bangalore's fast-developing zone. The project is spread across approximately 33 acres and the project offers a mix of modern lifestyle, large township living and a strong long-term appreciation potential. It features around 67% open spaces with a landscape greenery along with a premium high-rise tower going up to 40 plus stories. The project is inspired by New York theme, giving it a distinct identity. You also get access to over 75 lifestyle amenities and approximately 56,000 square feet of clubhouse space. One thoughtful feature here is that the homes are designed without direct facing units, ensuring better privacy. Overall, it's a strong blend of lifestyle and investment potential. If we talk about the location and connectivity, so the project is strategically located near Sarjapur, Attibele Road and Hosur Road, offering good connectivity to major IT hub. Electronic City is around 20 minutes away. Sarjapur Road is approximately 25 minutes away. Silk Board can be reached in about 35 to 40 minutes. And this corridor is considered highly promising due to ongoing IT expansion and infrastructure growth, making it attractive from a long-term investment perspective. Now let's talk about the amenities and lifestyle. So Sobha Town Park is designed as a complete lifestyle ecosystem, not just a residential project. At the center is an 11-acre central park which acts as a heart of this township. There is also a 90-meter diameter cricket ground, which is quite rare in residential project. Residents get access to multiple clubhouses like Club Hampton and Club Madison, along with a swimming pool, sun deck, and a full sport plaza with a tennis, basketball, and futsal court. You also have jogging and cycling track, an urban farm, nature trail, dedicated kids play zone, a skate park, and yoga and wellness spaces. The focus here is clearly on creating a well-rounded community-driven lifestyle. Now let's talk about the sizes and configurations. So the project offers a wide range of configuration to suit different needs. 1 BHK apartments are around 750 square feet, 2 BHK homes range from approximately 1200 to 1600 square feet. 3 BHK units go from about 1500 to 2500 square feet. 4 BHK homes range between 2200 to 2800 square feet. All layouts are designed to maximize space, efficiency, natural light and ventilation. And the price is starting from 14,300 rupees per square feet onwards. If you would like the brochure, floor plans, latest availability or want to schedule a site visit, you can check the link in the description. NRI buyers from US, UK, UAE, Europe and Singapore can also connect with us through the same link. If you enjoy premium township videos like this, then don't forget to subscribe to Property Cloud. Property Cloud is a PropTech company which directly connects you with the developers for simplifying your home buying process. It also gives you benefits like spot discount, zero brokerage, free pickup and drop services, and many more.